My name is nache. I'm involved in the Stop Vivisection initiative, and I want to use this opportunity to especially thank the people in Slovenia, all the volunteers who helped us so much to achieve 1.3 million signatures. You achieved, in relation to your population, probably more than any other country. So I really want to thank you. The next stage will be to validate 1 million signatures, and I think we will achieve that. And afterwards, a delegation from Stop Vivisection, including myself, will meet with representatives of the European Parliament to talk about replacing the law, the directive on animal experimentation.